France at 18.
I-arrange natin according to friendship.
According to friendship. Oh, the longest essay. Look at the longest speech.
According to weight. Okay, some of the ladies can, Cheska in the middle. Dito ka, Cheska. Cheska in the middle, that's right. Some of the ladies can, be on this side, please. Yeah. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Sideways, yeah, and then you have to get closer to Cheska. Okay, sit down. Beauty pageants. Ang gaganda. Look at all of them. They're all so
Miss
pretty.
Universe. The Miss World 2017.
Panalo si Leslie.
One more. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the Aiden Candles.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You can go back to your seat. Okie dokie. So we need to move on.
Time really flies, no?
Why?
Because the first time I saw Cheska when I think she was just 2 years old, and some of them, they've been really good friends since they were little.
I can tell, with these amazing people,
And
amazing
then I'm
friends.
really proud. And
who
as
are
a
here.
parent, in behalf of the other parents, I could really say that I'm really proud of all these girls kasi lumalaki sila na maayos. And they're going with the right people. You want to see with all the girls that feel they've got the right attitude.
And one thing that you can basically treasure here at the team is the fact that how they, cherish, nurtured friendship. Exactly. And you can tell how she's not only beautiful, she's really, really a good girl. It's amazing.
Yeah,
Alright. Manang-mana sa nanay.
Kay Tita
Yan na nga.
Judy.
At kay Lola!
Okay, and then our next number is,
Okay,
I'd like to introduce this young girl, also a family friend of the Madriagas. As we have promised, we have a lot in store for you tonight. And I'd like to introduce this very talented and bright girl who's been playing the guitar for a while. Are you ready, Kay?
Yeah.
May we call on Francesca
K. Alcala. Andras Amanda. Do you need a seat, yeah?
You're okay. You're fine. Okay.
You
So
might need
what's
a
the
seat.
title of your the song that you're going to strum the
To
guitar?
play.
Can't help falling in love.
Ay, nakakailang. Okay. Palakpakan naman natin.
Treasures.
Okay. While we're waiting, can we just while we're organizing the microphone, can we just say the participants of the 18 Treasures to please just get ready, just like what the 18 Candle participants did earlier on. 18 Treasures. If you're part of the 18 Treasures, please go to Miss Arlene Garcia. Okay, nasa naman ang mga pala ni Kay dyan sa tabi-tabi?
What's she singing?
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love.
Was there more? But she didn't finish it.
You have a baon? You have another baon?
You can play another song. They're requesting for another song.
Despacito!
Of course.
Okay. Despacito!
Just a short song. Anything else that you can play?
You wanna hold it?
Huh? Okay, say, isa pa ba? Yeah! You want an answer? Okay.
Ito bang klase ito?
Thank you. Ang galing-galing. Thank you very much, Ate KK.
That was really good. Any message?
Happy late birthday.
Okay, thank you very much. That was great. Wow. Very talented, huh?
Pwede na sa choir.
Okay, you can go to the OBC by Sunday. Alright.
So,
I'm getting changed as well. You have to.
The next part of the program.
Exactly, and now we have come again to another vital part of the debutantes party, the 18 treasures at the gym.
18 treasures. Ano nga ba yun? What does 18 treasures mean in a debut party? The 18 treasures apparently symbolize the important instruments that the debutant might need in her path to womanhood. It could come in all forms, right? Like
It may be a physical gift or a meaningful advice that Cheska can use for the rest of her life. So,
okay.
you might be quite surprised with all these treasures they're gonna give you. Might be a 20 million or a millionaire after this birthday party.
Or your tuition fee for
Or
university.
tuition fees? Yeah, perhaps. Let's see what's gonna happen here.
But
So we got 18 treasures.
Sabi nga nila, it's the thought that counts.
Exactly, Ate P. So, is our 18 treasures ready?
Ready na?
Ready na ba kayo? Are you ready, guys?
Okay,
Okay.
call on Miss Sandra Mahoney.
It's Sandra. Mahoney.
Sandra, if I could just introduce her to you, she is the manager of Silver when he was still working in Dania Work, Angelica and Dania Work, right?
So I want to say thank you for giving me the honour to be here today. I've watched you grow into a confident young woman with a heart and a mind full of love. You are a credit to your family, and I know right now that your dad would be bursting with pride looking down upon you. I know that he would want to show you off to the world. However, he would be saying to the boys, wait until you're 30 and keep a respectable distance from you. I would like to wish you a happy 18 and what I give you is a small token just for your forward journey. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Sandra. Thanks for that lovely message as well.
Okay. And the next one, Ate P, of course, is Mrs. Merlin Pasqua.
Merlin is also famous for her grapes. And she's a family friend.
Hi, Jessica. Thank you for inviting us. It was an honor to be here. I have a poem for you. It's my favorite poem from a very famous poem. It's entitled Climb Till Your Dreams Come True. Often your tasks will be many, and more than you think you can do. Often the road will be rugged, and the hills insurmountable too. But always remember, the hills ahead are never as steep as they seem. And with faith in your heart, start upward and climb till you reach your dream. For nothing in life that is worthy is never too hard to achieve if you have the courage to try it and you have the faith to believe. For faith is a force that is greater than knowledge or power or skill. And many defeats turn to triumph if you trust in God's wisdom and will. For faith is a mover of mountains. There's nothing that God cannot do. So start out today with faith in your heart and climb till your dreams comes true. Happy birthday.
Wow!
Wow!
Round of applause, everyone, for that beautiful poem.
Medyo mahirap isulat sa cake yan, Merlin. Medyo mahaba. But thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much, man.
The next one is a gentleman, Ninong ni Cheska, and friend of Silver. Mr.
Marlon.
Emmy Mangosi. Marlo Mangosi.
Mangosi. Ninong. Ninong Marlon.
It's just a simple gift. Well, anyway, everyone knows in this building that your dad is a very good friend of mine. Since day one, since way back in the Philippines, we're real good friends. We're more than 25 years. Well, he's not here anymore. He's my good buddy, my good friend. And I just don't understand why he left. Because every dad's dream is to witness the 18th birthday, especially their eldest daughter. And it's so difficult seeing you without, well, anyhow, I don't need to remind you that you'll be a good girl when you grow up and look after your brothers. I know you're doing it already. My message is to your dad. I know you're there looking down upon us. What more can I say? In every step of the way of Cheska, stay beside her, her decisions, undertakings, endeavors, everything. Not just stay beside her. Influence her decisions, everything. Stay in front of her, behind everything. Just keep looking down upon her and the rest of the kids and the wife. And I hate to say this, but I hate not seeing you here. Okay, that's it. Happy birthday.
Nakikita mo ba?
Thank you so much, Marlon.
Marlon, nakikita mo ba ang nakikita ko? May nakatayo sa tabi mo. Sorry, Silver, pinapasaya lang namin yung okasyon. But salamat ng marami. And thank you for mentioning Silver, of course. He's in every bit of way, he's always been a part and parcel of this celebration.
Our next one, of course, is Mrs. Marine.
Uy, asa na pala? Mary is also a colleague of Silver at work.
Hi Jessica, happy birthday. For you I give is a purse. A purse as you may be responsible for your money. And also giving this gift is a good thing you to expect in the year. So I wish you that exactly what this brings you in the whole year. So maybe you will spend money and be happy and be responsible. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Marley. Okay, next one we'd like to call on Miss Debbie Ceramic.
Debbie is the boss manager of Silver. He was still working in Queen's Hospital Theater.
I see.
Coco. With Jacob. Jacob, smile. Smile.
Thank you very much, Miss Cerami. Next one is Miss Phobos Ball Fajardo. A family friend as well.
Cheska, happy birthday. Thank you for choosing me as one of your treasure to this memorable day of your life. Please take this simple present that will be my remembrance for this once in a lifetime occasion of yours. I'm giving you some religious items because I want to remind you that in spite of the material things in this world, we should not forget to go the basic things we need, and that is our connection to God, Jesus, and Mary. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Cobal.
Eto na.
Okay, the next one is
Mrs. Arlene Garcia. Sakit na paan niya.
Happy birthday, Cheska. Every birthday is a symbol of a fresh start and a new beginning. May your birthday also begin for you a new life where each day presents you in a world of new opportunities and opens up the doors to a promising future. Always remember, Cheska, we are always here for you, no matter what. This gift that I'm giving you is a rosary. I know that your mom is so prayerful, and this will help you go through the future. Happy birthday, Jessica. I love you.
Thank you very much, Arlene. And then the next one, Ate Ping.
Head waiter! Mr. Renato Arquez.
Second father.
I think Jessica already know what I'm gonna say. Thank you. On behalf of my wife and my children, we're too big to be gift-wrapped, so.
I know that's a stage.
And my second choice is a shoulder bag, so you can put your personal things in there, and I hope that you're gonna put our numbers, addresses, and everybody's close to you. I watch you grow up with my children, and you're considered as one of my daughter, and you know, part of the family. Happy birthday, Jessica.
Yes!
Okay, pwede na ulit mag-serve ng drinks.
Okay. Alright, the next one is may kumare.
Tapos na ang papel mo.
Miss
Belen Hardelesa. Shining, shimmering,
Splendid.
Happy birthday, Jessica. Thank you for choosing me to be one of the, to give you message. And I chose to give you a pendant heart cross to remind you that God is always there for you as you go towards an adulthood. You need guidance. You also need protection. And probably love, keep in your heart that He's always there for you, whatever you do, whatever you want to be, and I hope that He will always protect you and guide you throughout your life. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Belen.
Thank you, Belen. Okay.
Next is none other than Mrs. Dulce Castrillan. Family friends.
I am very happy and privileged to witness this night as you turn it off. Fine young lady. Tie this bracelet on your wrist, and as you do so, make your special birthday wish. When the thread wears through and breaks, that is when your wish awakes. Yeah. No matter what happened, I will always be here for you. I love you, Jessica.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Dulce Castellano. And of course, hindi natin pakilala, the next one is Maria Fe Aten, our host. Yes!
Ito na lang. I wasn't expecting this.
Award.
But nonetheless, happy birthday, Jessica. I hope you're enjoying the night so far. And I'd just like to say that may copy ako kasi baka malimutan ko. I have seen you as a kid, and I share the pride with your mom and the rest of your family in seeing you now as a young lady. I'm glad that you're friends with my daughters, especially Andrea. Because as a parent, I would only want my children to go out with the right people, and you're one of them. Good luck in the future, and always listen to your mom and to your grandma, to Tita Jehan as well. I'd like to say that you are a family, and I hope that you could trust us and would seek our advice whenever you need an adult to give you an advice. So I'm giving you this. It's an angel, kasi yung angel talaga nag-guide sa'yo. So I hope you would always pray whenever you will go through difficult times, and would thank the Lord as well for giving you a good life despite everything that has happened. And you've been really a brave girl. So, ano ba sabihin ko? Siyempre, of course, credits to your mom in bringing you up as a beautiful child. And thank you. Happy birthday, Jessica.
All right.
Ang haba ng
Thank you,
message.
Ate Pink. Oh, ma.
Pakikuhanan yung likod ko.
All right, okay, we would like to go on. Mrs. Marianne Robles.
Yes!
Wow! Ano ba yun? Nagsasayo.
that I'm going to speak, I thought I'm going to back out because I'm not really used to do this. and I'm not used to wear dress as well. So, because I really love you and your family, I need to do this.
Yes, you have to.
The reason why I don't want to speak because I know that I'm going to cry. I've known you since you were 2 years old. You're like a daughter to me. And I don't... until today, I don't really know what to give to you. But when I think about something that you're going to think about when you grow old, I think my presence is enough, yeah, and my family, because we've been, your mom and me are really friends since the beginning, and just remember that I'm always here for you, me and my family. Whenever you need me or you need someone to talk to, I'm always here for you. Yeah. I'm very proud of you because you become very responsible girl since your dad passed away, and I know that Silver is really happy right now. Don't change and study very well on your university. I hope the one inside this card is gonna help you. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Marianne.
Thank you, Marianne.
That's a very emotional speech.
Sabi ni Marianne, you are like a daughter. Tanggap mo ba siya, Cheska, bilang ina?
Okay, next one, Ate Ping, of course, Mr. Noel Frial.
Frial, and godfather of Cheska.
Ninong. I just well.
I don't want to say. In behalf of my family, my wife and my daughter, table number 10. So happy birthday again. Just want to introduce myself first. Maybe most of you doesn't know me. Just maybe and your family. Actually, we just live nearby. 2 hours journey across the sea. 1 hour taxi and 1 hour plane. Actually, we live in Ireland.
All the way from Ireland,
all the way.
Ladies and gentlemen, just to be here.
Yeah. Actually, before, when you were inviting us, I told myself that I will not come back here because of the past. You know, we had a sad memory, so I decided not to come back. However, since Cheska's 18th birthday and the honor of your dad, Jan Madriaga, and it's a special occasion for you as a debut and a young lady now. So, we're here. I think the first time I saw you on the picture, you were 3 years old. You remember? With Nika. I think that's Nika's birthday or your birthday? Nika's birthday. And now, look at you now and my daughter. You're 18. Both of you are 18 yet. Anyway, my wish for you is same as your dad, probably. Be tough, be a good girl, of course, you're a good girl, and reach your goal, your starlight. Okay?
Thank you very much, Ninong Noel. That was a very nice message. Of course, this is a bittersweet occasion kasi
they got changed.
Sa Saudi pa sila magkasama ni Silver. Okay. And they came all the way from Ireland. Ibale, i-refund daw ni Jem yung Ryanair ticket niya. Next one is another cake maker. Ba't umiiyak ka na, Shirley? Umiiyak agad.
Oh my God.
Magmula-buhay pa si Ato. Miss Shirlene Alcala. Kailangan ng tissue.
Cheska,
happy birthday, Ning.
Hindi matatapos ni Shirley.
I hope you have a wonderful day today. You're so beautiful, Jessica.
Kaya maitim tayo, nilagyan mo ng book. Nilagyan mo ng book.
10, 9. Binilangan ko yun. Kaya mo yan, Shirley.
Mahabang pila.
The head waiter is here. Naiyak na si Sherlyn eh.
Ako ng taga-isip.
Okay.
Okay ka lang, Shirley.
I think we need a little bit of help here.
Ato, saluhin mo na baka makimat.
Kalamayin mo ang loob mo. Ano? Pero yung ammonia, pang Shirley, may 4 pa alalahan. Hindi siya makapagsalita, na-overwhelm siya. Talagang ayaw niya magsalita ni Shirley kasi talagang very emotional siya. Lalo na nakikita niya yung mukha ng asawa niya. Anyway, I'm sure si Tita Shirley only wishes the best for you. Tama ba, Shirley? Sige. Palamakan niyo si Shirley.
That's Shirley, ladies and gentlemen. Of course.
Next is Miss Nova Giban.
Nova Giban.
Miss pa ba? Mrs. na or Miss?
Thank you, Nick. Cheska, happy 18th birthday. First time I saw you was you were only 2 years old. And now, look at you. You're grown, so bright, so beautiful. And I'm giving you this present, but it's not really something that very expensive, but this symbolizes hope and dreams. And once you read this message, I just hope that this will motivate you and drive you to achieve your dreams and all your wishes in life. I know your dad will always say that his dreams for you is to finish studies and be a better person, God-fearing, and good sibling to your brothers. I wish you happy birthday, and I know your family are so proud of you. Continue to make them so proud of you. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Miss Nova Giban. Okay, next one, all the way from Wales. Right, a family friend, Mr. Kelly Ibarrientos.
And Ninong. Ninong din.
And Ninong.
Hi, Cheska. Happy 18th birthday. Ano pong gusto niyo? Tagalog o English? Tagalog na lang. Una kitang nakita nung dinala ka sa akin dyan sa Wales. I think it's 2014. Yeah. Pero ngayon, 18 ka na. Happy birthday. I know, Jan, we're gonna be happy for you, wherever you are, a young lady. And I wish your wish will come true. Sana si Jan, parang Jan, eto na siya. Dalaga na. Di ko kayang bantayan, malayo ako eh. Across from Wales. Pero anyway, happy birthday, Cheska.
Thank you very much, Jenny. Hayaan mo.
Thank you.
Habang binabantayan mo si Cheska, ikaw naman na ibinabantayan ni Silver.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Ito naman, she's somebody who's very close to Cheska. Ang nag-iisang aunt ni Cheska from her mom's side, Mrs. Jehan Franco Polo.
I'm not ready. Little message. Happy birthday to Sunday. You are now ready to face life without so much guidance from your mom.
or from us. But always remember, improve yourself and be someone better. But never change and always stay the same.
Naiyak din ako.
So the first time I held her in my arms, she was so tiny. I even called her, she looks like a guinea pig. She's so small. A few months after, she became chubby and cute. And now she's a grown-up, young, fine lady. And I'm sure all of us here are very proud of what you become. Soon you'll be going to university. Always remember your mom and your brother. I know you do. And always think of your room when you're away. Again, happy birthday and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Anita.
Tingnan mo, dati raw, si Cheska ang binubuhat niya. Ngayon, she's carrying her own baby, di ba?
Exactly.
Kakapanganak lang ni Jihan, kakairi lang niya. Umiri ka ba talaga? Or sininok ka lang? Or... Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jihan.
Okay, Ate Ping. This one is very special.
Very special lady.
Of course.
Oo. Hanggang dito nagmana ang mga Franco girls.
Kagandahan, the beauty.
Sorry si Tita Judy pa rin daw ang pinakamaganda. Poon daw po. Okay, the matriarch of the Franco
The
family,
Lola,
of course.
ladies and gentlemen,
Mrs. Judy
Franco. Tita, let's right over here.
Yan kita dalawa escort mo
Escort kita.
Good evening to everyone.
Oy, wala ka na!
This is really a surprise to me. Jan just told me now that I'm a part of this treasure. So, anyway, Cheska, as the family fondly called you, and front to your friends, now you are already a grown-up lady, a beautiful, gorgeous woman. Wow. We are partners in K-pop, if you know it. That's why if I will be given a chance to live again, I will choose to be always grandmother. Okay? Now that you are an adult, you have the power to control yourself. But remember, great power comes great responsibility. I know that you are kind-hearted, God-fearing, humble, and very responsible to your two brothers. I saw that every day. You accompany your brothers going to school, in train or in cab. Jessica, you'll be entering the uni. I hope you will study hard, get a diploma, be a professional and career woman. Okay? About love, okay, so I will say about love because she's already 18.
Sige, Lola, what is love?
Now, this one. Don't take it seriously now.
Wow!
If he is listen, if he is his destiny, he can wait. Until the right time comes.
Yes!
Okay. Now, you are turning 18 now. This happens only once, so enjoy and make the most of it. I love you very much, Apo.
Thank you! Great power comes. Great responsibility.
Spider-Woman.
Ang taray ng message ni Tita. Talagang very authoritative ang kanyang pagsasalita. K-pop.
That was a really powerful message.
Ulitin ko yung pagkakasabi ni Tita. Akala ko sabihin ni Tita, we're partners in crime. And then she said, we're partners in K-pop. Trendy si Tita. So
Exactly.
Di ba na lola na we're partners in.
And one thing as well, that love can wait.
May pinaparinggan ba
It
si
sounds like it's
Tita
going to be a
sa
big
tabi?
debate for that.
May pinaparinggan ba si Tita, Cheska?
Cheska, it's not because you're 18.
May nakikita akong batang kulot na parang medyo kinikilig-kilig eh.
Actually,
love can wait.
Actually, I think naunat na eh.
For all you youngsters out here, did you hear that message? Love can wait. Okay? Ano ba sasabi?
If you're meant to be,
You're meant to be.
you're meant to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight 9 here.
She's talking about destiny, right?
Yes, exactly. Wow. That was a very powerful message, Lola, and that is